Attempt to repair number 1, Krith damaged shingle here. Nail pull. Nail pull. Debris all in the tar. Nail pull. Top nails gotta go. Nail pull. Nail pull again. As you can see, all the nails blowing through the shingles. You can tell there's no adhesive left. Nothing. There's debris all in the adhesive strip. As you can see, attempt to repair, fail. Got creasing on every single shingle. The adhesive strip, there's nothing left. All the nails are blowing through all the surrounding shingles. So these shingles are never going to reseal, they're going to slide out, and eventually these are all going to fall off. So, attempt to repair. Attempt to repair, fail. You also have over here another contractor's prior repair. You can see the same thing on his. All the shingles are still unsealed, everything is creased.